at Child Nutrition. Today I'm going to be preparing for you a quick and easy healthy recipe. We have mini taco cups that we are going to be baking today for you. We do have a recipe ready. You're going to need some ground beef, tortillas, shredded cheese, lettuce, tomato, and a few extra toppings if you would like them for your recipe at home. Okay, let's get started. So we have some pre-cooked seasoned ground beef. We have shredded cheese, shredded lettuce, and I have some salsa ready. I did mention earlier that you can use some extra items at the top of your taco cups: corn, beans, tomatoes, jalapenos, anything that you have at home that you would like to add to top. So I already have prepared your taco cups with the tortillas already in the muffin tins. When you're shopping in the supermarket, my suggestion is to find the smallest tortilla that you can find that will fit into your taco cups. What we did here is we took off the edges around the round tortilla and made a square, and then neatly and gently put it inside each muffin tin. I will go ahead and fill each muffin tin with 1 ounce of ground beef. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to talk a little bit about whole grains. I am using a whole grain tortilla today. The reason I'm using that is the benefits of whole grains include fiber, B vitamins, antioxidants. Those types of things help our bodies reduce the risk of any types of chronic diseases, diabetes, blood pressure, heart disease, those types of things. If you are not using a whole grain tortilla at home, that's okay. I just thought that that would be a nice added health benefit. We're all looking to stay healthy this summer, so I do have a few tips and things that I can share later in the video about some healthy summer recipes with salads and fruits. Okay, now that we have the meat inside the muffin tins, those are all prepared and ready for the oven. I'm going to do 2 quick steps to final prep it for baking. I'm going to spray the edges of your tortillas with some Pam or your butter spray that you have at home to kind of help the edges become a little bit crispy. So we'll do this really quickly, and then we will add a little bit of shredded cheese. We're going to pop it in the oven for 7 minutes at 375. We're just going to put a sprinkle of cheese on the top of each one, just like so. Doesn't have to be perfect. You can get a little bit messy. If you have kids with you at home, make sure that they are supervised while they're in the kitchen cooking at all times, and have fun. Most of all, have fun with your kids and making healthy recipes at home. Now we're ready for the oven. Like I mentioned, we're going to put this in the oven at 375 for 7 minutes. We're going to bake until the edges are crispy, so watch it pretty closely while it's in the oven so that we don't burn and overcook it. Okay, so now we have it all prepped and ready for the oven. We're going to bake at 375 for 7 minutes. Watch it in the oven really closely. What we're looking for is that we have nice crispy edges but not burns. So let's put it in the oven. Alright, so let's set the timer for 7 minutes. Okay, that's going to be cooking, and we'll be back shortly. Okay, so we've baked those for 7 minutes. We're ready to take them out of the oven. Please be very careful with the oven. Make sure you have proper equipment. Here's our finished product, and we're ready to do some toppings. Go ahead and turn our oven off here. How does that look, guys? To me it looks amazing, super yummy, fresh and easy recipes to do for summer. Let's see. Okay, so now we're going to top with a little bit of shredded lettuce on each one. This might take a few minutes, but like I said earlier, it doesn't have to be neat, kind of messy, however you would like it. We'll top with some lettuce, then we'll put on some salsa and some sour cream. At home, if you would like to use some jalapenos, some pico, anything that you have, corn, beans, diced tomatoes, anything extra you would like to add would be super yummy and healthy for an addition to these recipes. All right, so we're almost done here. I have some fresh salsa, just like so. Just a little dollop there. And then at the end, we're going to top it with a drizzle of sour cream. So this recipe is very, very high in B vitamins and iron from the meat, calcium from cheese. We have some vitamin C from our salsa or tomatoes. Super healthy for you and your families and very easy for you to cook. Very quick and easy. Start to finish will take you maybe only about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on what you already have prepared and ready. Looks like I'm out of salsa. We'll get some more for later. Here we have our final product. I am going to put some sour cream on the top, just a nice little drizzle for a nice addition. This is Daisy sour cream. You do not have to use that at home. Whatever that you have in your fridge ready, you can use low fat, you can use fat free. So I'm going to take my little packets here and do a nice little drizzle on top, just like so. Super easy. If you don't like sour cream, this is not an addition that you have to make. Like I said in previous part of the video, you can add any additional toppings that you would like to your taco cups that would be beneficial for you and your families. And one last thing while I'm finishing up the taco cups here, I think it's probably a good idea that we talk about some summer produce and what is going to be in peak season, just to kind of help you with meal planning at home. So in peak season, we have fresh berries that you can use to top on your salads, watermelons, honeydew, cantaloupe, those types of things, fresh fruits to have available throughout the day for your kids while they're at home during the summertime, as well as tomatoes, summer squash. Those things are peak season. And they're also cheaper in peak season. So a good addition for you in your summer meals. And I want you guys to have a very healthy and safe summer. And don't forget to come back next year and see us in our Aldine cafes and in our cafeterias. Hi guys, here's our finished product of our mini taco cups. Thank you all for attending the class today. I hope you have fun in your kitchens at home making this healthy recipe. I want you to have a healthy and safe summer, and we'll see you guys next year back here at Aldine ISD. Have a good summer. Bye.